Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an avatar in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Facebook app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here, we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines. And then under this section, we find avatars. We tap on this. And here we have an option to either take a selfie, and then the Facebook app is going to create us an avatar, or tap on create manually to create our avatar as we like. Let's say, I don't know, just yeah, your standard avatar creating experience. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.